Let's move over to Brad Lawler. Now, this one's a little out of your bailiwick, but I figured you could handle this,
Mm,
Brad. All right. How much do you know about hydrogen peroxide?
a little bit.
Okay, good. So Taylor wrote us an email. She visits lots of websites and she says one of her favorite sites, they're talking about a homeowner should spray hydrogen peroxide on plants to prevent root rot and extra oxygen into the soil. And she's wondering, has anybody really heard of this, Brett? Is that a safe
I,
process?
I don't know if it's a safe process. I have to admit that I've heard of it, but I've heard it not to necessarily benefit the plants, but I've heard people try to use that to ward off insects, so little flies and things that get in the potting soil. So I don't know if it's healthy for the plant. I know that the hydrogen peroxide we buy at the drugstore is a very, very low concentration versus some of the commercial products available out there. But yeah, I don't know if it's harming anything. I don't know that it's helping anything. And of course, if it's on the internet, I know it has to be true, but I often wonder, who's actually posting those and testing those things. So I know it's not effective on getting rid of bugs. I can testify to that.
Yeah, well, as a lover of plants, I would tell you if you do decide to do test it on some plant out of the way somewhere to see if it does, but
Test it
and
on
do
your
some
neighbor's
research.
plant? Is that what you're saying?
No, not.
Oh, okay. My
Yeah,
bad.
Test
but
it,
all right,
test
very
it on
good.
your
Yeah,
dandelions.
yeah, something that would maybe. Oh, you'll see more dandelions grow. Yeah. A reminder that if you'd like to see what sellers are saying about us, you can go to LouisvilleSellersTalk.com. That's videos that we record with our sellers after we're done and selling their home. That's LouisvilleSellersTalk.com.